Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. Thanks for tuning in. Have you ever had a hankering for a good quality baked potato? I know you think, yeah, baked potato, but I mean every once in a while you think, man, I'd really like to have a good, nice quality baked potato. Well, today, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to produce the perfect baked potato. You're going to love it. Baked potato? Seriously? Serious as that string I swallowed the other day. What? Yeah, I passed it this morning all tangled up. Really? I shit you not. Oh boy. Watch out today, guys. This guy's on a roll. My God, what did you eat? Perfect baked potato starts by properly washing our baked potatoes. And now the next step, simple as it may seem, put it in a very hot oven. I have my temperature set at 450 degrees. Notice the two wire racks here. One is up high to absorb some heat and help the potatoes bake from above, and the other one is to hold the potatoes. We're going to let this sit for about 25 minutes baking at 450 degrees. Then we're going to pull it out and I'll show you the next step. Alright, at this point these potatoes are very hot. Take a liberty to pre-melt some butter. And we're going to coat these potatoes with some nice melted butter. Now they tell me this is supposed to give it a nice golden, flavorful crust. Time will tell. Top this off with some sea salt. Oh yeah, the perfect baked potato. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed making it. Homestead Kitchen Living. Old guy, new recipe, once a week. Tune in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching. And don't forget, always, always, always give thanks to your Creator for the food that He's endowed and blessed us with. Once again, thanks for watching.